Bakit siya yung napili mong mag-assist kayo?
Hindi, nasimula after kasi nung sabi ko si Joy, parang siyempre solo naman siya ngayon. So sabi ko, busy itong dalawa. Kasi ipapa-assign ko si Fran para kahit paano hindi malungkot.
Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I've been spending way too many thoughts on what goes on must come. At last
Hindi na siya si Joy, siya na si Anger. Anger na siya.
Guess you really changed my view.
Mahal ng mga
Coffee cup, a scribbled name. Didn't think you'd say that no, but somehow we just belong. You don't talk with fancy lines, still you echo in my mind. Little jokes and sideways comments. Now I'm lost in the switching. But I feel 10 feet tall.
Hindi ako kinikilig ka na ba kayo para tayo sir? Ano? Mainit.
Kaya napatakbo ng takbo si Joy
Bakit may pantalay na ng dala?
Every smile begins with you.
Alright, it's a wrap!
Jim and kay Kuya
Di pa pala ito.
mga indoor na.
Guess you really changed my view. That you wanna Tuesday.